Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce risk with AIG step by step clearly. To reduce risk with AIG, start by assessing your current insurance needs. Identify the areas of your life or business that may require coverage. Gather information about your existing policies and any gaps in your protection. Review the types of insurance AIG offers, such as life, health, property, and liability. Consider your specific risk factors, like location, industry, and personal circumstances. Consult with an AIG insurance agent to discuss your needs in detail. Request a comprehensive risk assessment to identify vulnerabilities. Evaluate the coverage options recommended by your agent. Compare these options based on coverage limits, premiums, and terms. Choose a policy that best fits your risk profile and financial situation. Make sure to read the fine print and understand all terms and conditions. Consider bundling policies to potentially save on premium costs. Regularly review your policies to ensure they align with any changes in your life or business. Stay informed about industry trends and emerging risks that may affect your coverage. Engage in regular communication with your insurance agent to stay updated on your policy. Consider enrolling in risk management programs that AIG might offer. By taking these steps, you can effectively reduce your risk with AIG. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.